This is one of our favorite times of year, elderberry season. Well, it's that time of year. We're out collecting elderberries, foraging for them. Look at the clump on this one. Elderberries always seem like they're in really difficult spots. They're somewhere back in there, but they're usually down in steep canyons or up in hills and in blackberries. But this one was actually pretty easy to get to. It's a lot of good medicine right there. So this is what I'm talking about here. You can see the elderberries out here. Let's see if I can zoom them in. But they're always in very difficult places to get. There's more down in there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them with the sun. Steep embankments just loaded with blackberries down in here. But you can see the elderberries out there. So pause over there trying to find a way through. I'm still collecting a few here. Thing to remember, if you're foraging them, don't get them real close to the highways, where exhaust fumes have been on them and that kind of thing. You want to come out into the mountains and find them. There's a gravel road here, but it's not used very much, and these are setting back quite a ways, so you're not going to have all those exhaust fumes and things on your, settling onto your berries, and other things that you may forage in the wild as well. He nips it. You want to be careful not to break your branches, because we come back for these year after year. So this is kind of like a natural pruning, and I have other people do it as well. You can see where they've been here, and we always like to leave a few. The wildlife, of course, eats off these, the birds and the bears and things, but we want to keep them healthy so we can keep coming back year after year. Basket is a pretty good haul. It was real steep coming out of there. These are nice. So I have an oversized tray here, just heaping with elderberries, and another platter. And this was really a good haul. We got a lot of elderberry, and this won't be the last time this year. We will go out again. In our area, they ripen. They can start the end of August, but they can go into a week, sometimes two, into October, depending on the season. But these are really nice ones. Check out this one. This is one clump right there. That's a beautiful clump of elderberries. Hope you enjoyed this. Go out and get your elderberries. Get your syrup going. Check out YouTube videos on it. Make tinctures. And until next time, we'll be keeping life simple.